Welcome to the Dropsolid platform. After logging in, this is the screen you'll be seeing. Of course, here on the top right menu, you'll see your user account with your settings and everything that's related. In your settings, you can also manage your SSH keys. For developers, this is important. There's three big tiles on the page. There's the DevOps tile, the CDP tile, and the Organize tile. Organize is where you can manage all the members of your organization. This is where you can add people, give them a role, or remove people from a role, or remove people altogether from the platform. This allows you to make your team in your platform. CDP is where the customer data platforms reside. When you take the customer data platform subscription, you will be able to do the segmentation and do the automatic segment detection here. In the DevOps, this is where you will be managing your Drupal and frontend projects. After clicking on this, you will see the list of projects that you have. You can then click on the plus button to add a new project, where you can have a wizard to create new Drupal projects, or you can click on an existing project and look at the project details. Looking at the project details, you see there's a big delete button if you want to delete your project. You'll see the GitLab URL, the Git repository link to check out the project locally, and environments. If you select one environment, let's take the dev one here, you'll see some general information. For example, the URL, so you can navigate to the environment, but also SSH, so you can shell into this server hosting this environment. There's also the domain, so you can also link your own domains to the system. There's cron, so you can add your own cron jobs, and technical information, so you can see if Solar or Memcache is activated for this site. Also, basic tasks are also here in this top right menu here, so you can generate a new login link to log in as admin for the site. You can deploy to the site, you can deploy to this environment, you can synchronize from this to another environment or to this one. You can look at the logs or download the backups. Also, on the right bottom side of the screen, you can see that there's the log of the builds, so you can see everything related to your development stack inside the environment.